Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. My son absolutely loves books, and this has been one of our favorites lately. This book, Little Sunflower, is on repeat every single day. He loves learning and listening to how the flowers grow and what happens to the seeds, and he also loves to point out all the different insects and everything on the pages. I love that it is a super sturdy book because he is not always super gentle turning pages, and this is in excellent condition even though we read it multiple times a day. I love the super bright colors in it, but also that he's learning something while we're reading. If you have a toddler that loves books and is a little bit rough with them, I highly recommend this one. It is a super sturdy book. It has beautiful bright colors and they are actually learning something about sunflowers, which is super fun. I love it, my son loves it, and you will too, but that's just my point of view.